how are you guys? What we eat reflects on our hair and skin. We are what we eat. So if you want to feel energetic all the time, if you want a healthy and younger looking skin, if you want strong and thick hair, then include sprouts in your diet. It is a nutritional powerhouse. I'm going to show you how you can grow your own sprouts without any specialty equipment. You can grow them even in the dead of winter. Growing your own bean sprouts is that easy. I'm going to show you 3 easy methods. You can choose the one that suits you. I'm going to be sprouting 3 different beans. I've got half a cup of chickpeas, that is chana, green gram, that's moong dal, and black gram, which is also called as urad dal. For sprouting, you need to use the beans with skin. As I told you, I'm going to be showing 3 different methods of sprouting these beans. First thing you need to do is to soak them. Place them in a big bowls and fill them with water. Make sure the bowl is big enough as the beans will get bigger in size when they soak. Pour 5 times more water. Let these beans soak for 8 to 10 hours. I usually soak them overnight. In the morning, drain the water. You can see the beans have swollen significantly. The first method I'm going to show you is the traditional method. In this method, you need to wet a towel and place the beans in it. I'm placing the chickpeas in the wet towel. Make a parcel with this. Don't pack it too tight as the chickpeas will expand when it sprouts and it needs to breathe. So pack it loosely and place it in a bowl. Keep this in a nice, warm and dark place. You need to sprinkle water on it twice a day. You will see the sprouts coming through the next day. You can eat them as they are, but I want to sprout them a bit more so that the protein content will increase more. It will look like this the second day. During winter days, it may take 1 more day, in a total of 3 days. But during warmer months, chickpea sprouts fully in 2 days. And in the second sprouting method, I'm going to use an empty juice carton. This will be your sprouting unit. It helps to keep the beans in the dark and encourages a crisper, whiter sprout. This method is most useful during winter time. Wash the carton completely before you use it. Use only juice carton. Don't use milk or cream cartons as they won't wash off that well. Cut little holes at the sides of the carton. You should be able to drain the water through these holes, but not the beans escape. It also helps the mung beans to breathe. Pour the mung beans into the carton using a funnel. Fill water into the carton, close the lid and then drain all the water out. This simple washing and draining process should be repeated twice a day to keep the moisture in the beans. The sprouts will start coming out the second day. They could be eaten at this stage, but leave it another day and you'll have perfect sprouts. Cut the carton open to get the sprouts out. You have your lovely homegrown sprouts which are packed with vitamins and minerals. In the third method, you could use a big strainer. I'm going to place the soaked black gram onto this strainer. You need to keep this strainer on top of a bowl so that when you sprinkle water twice a day, it will drain into the bowl. Cover these beans with a wet towel. We need to keep the beans moist. They will start sprouting the next day, and in 2 days you will have lovely sprouts ready to eat. Once the sprouts are ready, put them in the sun for a couple of hours. This will increase the vitamin C content in the sprouts by increasing the green shoots. Make sure you don't let them dry in the sunlight. Keep wetting them every half an hour. Once the sprouts are ready, you can put them in airtight containers and store them in the fridge. Make sure you use them within 3 to 4 days or they will start to lose their nutrition. You can eat these sprouts as it is or you can add them to your salads, soups, curries, stir fries. Sprouts are extremely versatile. When we were kids, my grandmother used to make us eat a handful of sprouts with breakfast. It gives you a daily dose of protein. This helps you increase your hemoglobin too. It is an excellent natural remedy for anemia. Include these delicious sprouts in your daily diet and you will have great health, thick hair and amazing skin. I hope you find this video helpful to you. If you did, Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Take care guys. Bye bye.